everybody, this is a guide on how to use Atticradar, the radar that I use in all of my live streams where I track weather. So, button 1 is your radar sites. You can see there is tons of sites here in America, and you use these. Let's just say I click this one right here. It will take me and I can see reflectivity. Now there is velocity, correlation coefficient, and tons of other buttons here. Feel free to mess with them. And this second button is the warning button. So any warnings or watches will show up if you press this button. There are none active as of now. But when there is, you will see this have some icons pop up or polygons. Now number 3 would be this one right here. This is temperatures and weather stations. Let's just go to this one in Texas. It is smoldering and 93 degrees, and it shows you dew point, the pressure, visibility, wind gusts, and yeah, this is the weather station. Number 4 is a pinpoint kind of thing. You can see what kind of precipitation. So let's say I just view in on this right here, and it gives you a number. This you can use for precipitation or velocity, any which one you choose. Now this third one is a drawing, or fifth one, is a marker. So you can just circle, which is this right here, and you can circle anything you need to check, remind you where what you're looking at is, and yeah, that's the end of the first segment. Segment 2 is the menu. Settings, you can just look through this stuff. You can show what alerts you want. Dealiasing. Pause the video if you want to check. This is what it means. And radar, storm tracks, lightning, day, night, and hurricane legend. Map styles right here. And yeah, that is the settings. Color tables, only 2 that you can necessarily change, velocity and reflectivity. You can use radar omega, GR2, National Weather Service, radar scope, or default. Velocity, it could be default or balance. Going to the SPC outlooks, it shows every single outlook you want. So let's go to the categorical. This is where thunderstorms could occur today at the time of recording. So it shows you this would be the thunderstorm outlook. And yeah, this is your SPC outlooks. You can see tornado, which there's nothing going on, but it could show you what the risks are for today. On to hurricane tracks. Probably no hurricanes. It's not hurricane season yet, but if you ever want to see hurricanes and where they're heading, you can use that button, hurricane tracks, right here. Tide stations is the next one, and you can check any station. So let's just load up this one, and tide stations show this is what time it currently is at the time of recording. And you can just look through this stuff through the tide stations. Surface fronts, it just shows you every front that's going through. One going through central Oklahoma as we speak, and there are just a ton. So if you ever want to look at that, you can use that. And the NOAA weather radio, tons of them. These don't play. You can just go onto a radio and use it, but green means they're open and you can listen to them. So if you are trying to get a listen on what your location is, just go to the closest one and you can hear it. Anyways, that is all for today. Hope you find this useful and have a good day.